Hi, this video will be looking for how do we import data from the internet that is web-based to the Excel. If I want to get website data in Excel without opening the browser, this is possible. Let's see how we can do that. For that, we need to have some website URL. For that, I open a browser and I have taken the website name as worldometer.info. So I'll be copying this particular URL and I'll be minimizing it. So now what I do is I go to a blank sheet in the Excel where I have a option of data tab where I click on the data tab, and here we get an option of from web. So when I click on this particular option from web, it is going to get the data from the web. So this gives me a browser. This is a private browser from Microsoft Excel where I need to paste the URL here and where I have to click on the go button. So first I need to delete this garbage link, and here I'll be pasting the URL and I'll be clicking on the go button. So it loads and it takes time to load here. Once it is done, what will happen is the data will be imported into my Excel. So here we click on the import button, so the data will be imported. So it will be asking the dialog box. It will be asking what is the location you want to store. If you want to store in this location, that is existing location, you can click on it. Otherwise you can, if you want to go and paste in the new worksheet, even you can do that. Here I am taking an existing worksheet and I am clicking on the OK button. So now it is going to get the data from that particular website where we can see that data here in this particular Excel sheet. So now we can see that the data whichever I got from that particular website, where I got this particular table from the website. Thank you.